दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी नाम तो सुना ही होगा। और आज इस यूनिवर्सिटी के हम एक कॉलेज की रियलिटी चेक करेंगे कि क्या वो अपनी रैंकिंग और अपनी हाइप को जस्टिफाई करता है। और उस कॉलेज का नाम है रामजस कॉलेज। रामजस कॉलेज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के नॉर्थ कैंपस का एक टॉप कॉलेज है जो कि 1917 में एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था। एंड अगर हम इसके कैंपस एरिया की बात करें तो ये अप्रोक्स 35 एकर्स में बना हुआ है। एंड इसका नियरेस्ट मेट्रो विश्वविद्यालय है। According to NIRF ranking of year 2023, इस कॉलेज को 67th among the top 100 colleges of India पर रखा गया है। एंड according to NAC credit, इस कॉलेज को A ग्रेड दिया गया है। And this college is specially famous for its diverse academic programs, strong placement opportunities, and a rich legacy of social and political activism. And अगर हम कोर्सेज की बात करें तो ये कॉलेज काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेज हमें प्रोवाइड करता है जो कि आप लिस्ट में देख सकते हो। With an fee amount of ₹14,000 to ₹19,000 per annum. But ये तो हो गया सिर्फ डाटा। Now let's check the ground reality of it. कि क्या ये कॉलेज अपनी रैंकिंग और जो डाटा हमें ऑनलाइन दिखाता है क्या वो उसको सच में जस्टिफाई करता है। एंड इस चीज़ को चेक करने के लिए हम करेंगे ऐसे कुछ 5 सवाल यहाँ पर पढ़ने वाले बच्चों से जो कि हैं।
Greetings everyone, myself Abhinav. I'm currently pursuing political science honors from Ramjas College, University of Delhi. Today I'm here to answer a particular questions that students or candidates of CUET have regarding the Delhi University, or let's say for Ramjas College. First of all, to talk about what exactly the infrastructure is. The infrastructure of Ramjas College in particular provides you everything, let it be the sports facilities, the lab equipments, or any particular extra facilities that you require, thus catering to the needs that students have in their day-to-day lives. Secondly, answering about the faculty, it depends from college to college, it depends from course to course, but however in my particular department I have certain professors who have 25 years plus of experience, who have been teaching for a lot of time by now. They know every bits and parts of the entire course of political science. Thus I must say that Ramjas College for political science have one of the best faculties. Thirdly, answering about the society and exposure, Ramjas College or Delhi University in particular provides you an exposure to a lot of societies, let it be for debating, let it be for music, let it be for theatre, let it be for the world of art and architecture or art and other type of expressions. You will enjoy a lot there. You will get a lot of opportunities to get yourself the exposure that you deserve, to get yourself the exposure at the national level. And lastly, answering about the placement and career support, you will have a variety of seniors who have seen life from various point of views. You will have guidance from different point of views as to what you need to do in different conditions of your life. Thus, I must say that coming to the university gives an exposure not only for your career, but as an exposure for being a better human once you are out of your university life, once you are out of your college life. And lastly, about a student opinion, as to my honest opinion about Delhi University, about Ramjas College, is that there might be certain things which a college might lack, which a particular course might lack, which a particular faculties might lack. But at the end of the day, when you are studying in an institution which has produced great scholars, which has produced great diplomats, great persons who are doing so much of fame in the entire Indian diaspora, that is where you understand that you are studying not just in a college but in a prestigious institution. And in fact, if I'm to say an opinion or an advice to the ones who will be coming here in the next few months, enjoy every bit of your moment here. Try to participate everywhere. Try to take part in each and every activities and events. That is how you will make memories. It is how at the end of every year you will realize that you did something important, that you did something notable, that you will remind yourself, that you will enjoy yourself in the future years to come. Thank you so much and hope to meet everyone here soon.
And in last guys, according to the students, ये कॉलेज अपनी रैंकिंग और डाटा जो हमें ऑनलाइन शो करता है उसको ये बिल्कुल अच्छे से जस्टिफाई करता है।